Let me ask you something. Have you ever used AI coding tools like Cursor or Claude and asked them to create beautiful UIs and the result was not quite right? The text get cut off, buttons don't align properly, and the responsive design completely breaks. And you are thinking, I explained exactly what I wanted. And the main issue here is, this might surprise you, these AI tools are coding without seeing. They generate code based on patterns they have learned, but they cannot see what they are building. It is like asking someone to draw a picture by closing their eyes. Obviously, it will not work. I am going to show you how to solve this problem completely using Claude Code and Playwright MCP server. And honestly, this combination is going to change how we build user interfaces completely. Before we start, please like this video if you find AI development interesting and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. First, let me explain what Claude Code actually is. Claude Code is Anthropic's command line interface and it is very different from Cursor and VS Code extensions. While Cursor directly integrates into your coding editor, Claude Code operates from your terminal. I know some of you might think terminal sounds complicated, but trust me, it is quite simple. What makes Claude Code special is it's truly autonomous. You describe what you want in normal English, it will read your entire project, edit multiple files, run commands, as well as it can execute various operations. And the best part, it maintains the context throughout the entire process. I have tested most AI tools available today like Cursor, GitHub Copilot and others, and each has its own strengths. Cursor provides excellent coding suggestions in your IDE. It is very smooth and user friendly. But Claude Code is different. It is like having an experienced developer who can perform tasks rather than just suggesting it. For example, I can say, Claude Code, please fix all the TypeScript errors in this project. It can find all the errors, fix the errors and run test again and report back when everything is successful. The level of automation is quite impressive. Getting started with Claude Code is quite straightforward. Open your terminal and run this npm command, and after installation, navigate to your project folder and type Claude and you are good to go. Also, Claude Code works as a VS Code extension, so you can use it directly in your code editor while keeping the terminal functionality. Now here is where things get really interesting. What if Claude Code can see what it is actually building? This is exactly what Playwright MCP enables. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It allows Claude Code to interact with external tools. When combined with Playwright, Claude Code gets these abilities like taking a screenshot, control browser interactions, navigate through websites, read console logs and errors, and most importantly, find visual errors and fix them. Let me describe this new workflow that is happening in the real project. I tell Claude Code to create a dashboard based on the design from Dribble. Claude Code opens a browser, it goes to the application, takes the screenshot and checks if there is any alignment issues and fix the CSS automatically. It modifies the code, refreshes the browser again, takes another screenshot, and now it verifies whether it is working in mobile device or not. Isn't it amazing? And if it finds any issues in the mobile browser, it automatically fixes these issues as well. All of this happens automatically. I didn't have to do anything manually. To install Playwright MCP server, we are going to execute this command in VS Code terminal. Once you execute this command, you can see Playwright gets installed. You can verify it in your claude.json file. You can see Playwright got installed here. Now let me show you how to set up a simple project using Claude and Playwright MCP server. We are going to use a design from dribble.com. Now I will go to Claude Code VS Code extension and I will give a simple prompt here. So let's see what this prompt says. I have a screenshot called dribbledesign.png in my project folder. Please analyze this image and create a responsive dashboard UI that matches this design. Create a HTML file with inline CSS that recreates this layout. Focus on the color scheme, typography, layout structure and overall visual hierarchy. So I have given a simple prompt and also I have a simple project I created using ShadCN. You can create your own project as well. So now I will execute this command. As you can see, Claude is trying to read the design.png and building the user interfaces according to that design. You can see it created the exact design. So if I go to the design from the PNG in my project, you can see it created exact design. This is amazing. So how cool is that? Now let me add more complexity. I'm going to ask it to improve the design using this dribbledesign.png. Let's see what it does. You can see it opened a browser automatically and took a screenshot. And the best part, it can iterate over this again and again. It can open the browser, take a screenshot and improve the design automatically. I don't have to do anything manually. This is amazing. So it is now improving the CSS as per my screenshot. Okay, amazing. Looks like it is completed now. Let me see the screenshot it took. So this is the screenshot it took automatically. I didn't have to do anything. So these screenshots it took from by opening the browser and navigating to this page. So let's see the original page how it looks like. This looks amazing, right? It gave me the exact user interface. I have been working in web development for several years and this represents the most significant advance I have ever witnessed. We have moved from AI that assists with code to AI that can visually verify itself and correct its work. This eliminates manual bug representations, taking and sharing screenshots, reading explanations of visual problems, loss of context during development. Claude Code simply identifies and resolves the issue visually, similar to how humans work. Have you tried this approach yet? What are your thoughts on AI tools that can see their own output? Please share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.